Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by grounding yourself in the essentials: Python programming, linear algebra, calculus basics, and probability. Once you have that, set up a GPU environment, use Colab or a cloud VM if you lack a local GPU. Make sure to install PyTorch or TensorFlow and practice with tiny projects. Build a logistic regression, then an MNIST CNN. This establishes the pipeline: data, model, training loop, evaluation. From there, schedule regular hands-on practice and track small, measurable learning goals. You move into the complex middle by implementing models from first principles and reading key papers to understand design choices. Once done with basic CNNs, build RNNs and transformers and compare performance. This teaches why architecture matters. Make sure to master optimization tricks, learning rates, weight decay, and early stopping, because they change results dramatically. Integrate sound data practices, preprocessing pipelines, augmentations, and careful train/validation splits. Keep iterating experiments, log metrics, and analyze failures to refine your intuition and workflow. You finalize your path by packaging reproducible projects that showcase end-to-end skills: data ingestion, modeling, evaluation, and deployment. Once projects are stable, containerize and serve models via APIs, add basic monitoring, and write clear README and experiment logs for reviewers. Make sure to prepare for interviews with system design and coding practice, and contribute to open source or write technical posts to stand out. Troubleshooting tip: if models underfit or overfit, systematically adjust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.